Hello everyone, welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the isolation label in the SQL. So this is the video series of the complete SQL tutorial. So I already uploaded the 79 video. So last video was the Phantom read. So now I'm going to start with the isolation label concept. So this is the very important topic for the interview point of view. So you will always get the question related to isolation label. So I will discuss in the detail. First we understand what is exactly we have the isolation label in the SQL. Then we can go with the different type of the isolation label we have, like the read uncommitted, read committed, snapshot, repeatable read, serializable, and I will discuss in the detail how we can apply in the real time database all the isolation label and which scenario which isolation label will be used. So before starting, if you want to join my one-to-one live session on the SQL, you can enroll. This is the starting from the every month. Okay, so now this is starting from the first week of the August, and you can enroll and you can use the coupon code LiveSQL LIVSQL. You will get complete detail in the video description, and you can get the 25% discount. And you can also download the training material. You can also join with this one-to-one training session with us. Okay, so let's start with the first understand the what is exactly we have the isolation label. So basically in the isolation label, basically the main use cases of the isolation label is used to increase the performance. Increase the performance in the sense the to avoid the deadlock. Okay, so basically to also we have to avoid the some type of the phantom read, some type of the non-repeatable read. That concept I already discussed in the last video. So I'm just recommend you just you can go and watch the last video, so you will have the better understanding. So basically the transaction nothing but the when same table or the same type of the table information schema, they updating the two different user. Okay, so transaction specify an isolation label that define how one transaction is isolated from other transaction. So to avoid the deadlock, okay, so we can use the different level of the isolation label. And the isolation level is the separation of resources or data modification made by different transactions. So what I explained earlier that if you same table modifying with the different user and need to be handled, we need to be use the isolation label. So basically transaction isolation label control the following effect. So whether lock are taken and when data is read and what type of the lock are requested, how long the read lock are held. So basically we have the different type of the isolation label. The first one is a read uncommitted, read committed. Second one is the read uncommitted, repeatable read, serializable, and the last one is the snapshot. So in the interview you will also get the how many type of the isolation label in the SQL server. So just you can answer. We have 5 type of the isolation label: read committed, read uncommitted, repeatable read, serializable, and snapshot. I will discuss each isolation label one by one in the detail. So one important question is also we get that which isolation level is the highest level and which level is the lowest level. So the highest level of the isolation level is the highest level of the isolation level is the serializable. Okay, so why the serializable is the highest level? Okay, basically they giving the guarantee that a transaction will retrieve exactly the same data every time is repeated read operation. but the lowest level of the isolation level is read uncommitted. So basically, why the lowest level? Because the read uncommitted, you can might be have the read the uncommitted data. Like for example, one transaction is updated, but you read it, but the same times the second transaction they roll back. Okay, so basically you read the incorrect data, that is called the dirty read, that I explained in the previous video only. So the highest level is the serializable, and the lowest level is the read uncommitted. So this is a table, you will get the some clear picture. Okay, so read uncommitted is the very lowest level. So there is an possibility that you can read the dirty read, you can read the non-repeatable read, and phantom. We have three type of the read is there. So dirty read as, so this is the very lowest level. But if you can go the serializable, it's coming no. So read uncommitted, there are chances to dirty read no, non-repeatable as, and phantom as. So you can also get the cross question that can we get the dirty read in read committed? So you can tell the answer no. Can we get the non-repeatable read in read committed? You need to give the answer as. Phantom is also as. So this table is given the clear picture for the understanding point of view. So you can see this and you can note down, you can take the screenshot, and you can also download all this material on the video description I given. So next video I will start with one by one, read uncommitted, read committed, repeatable read, snapshot. So each and every I will discuss with the practical example. And if you have any question, if you have any doubt, you can put the question on the video description. If you have any question attending the interview, you can email me, which is the given the mail on the video link. So thank you so much for the watching. Complete this video. We'll meet again in next one. Thank you.